Hello, Software Guy here with a new video. Today, we're going over how to properly set up and use OBS Replay Buffer to easily capture gameplay clips without impacting performance too much. We're keeping things clearer, cleaner, and more beginner-friendly. Whether you're playing Fortnite, Call of Duty, or any other game, this tool lets you hit a key and instantly save the last 30 seconds or however long you set of whatever was on screen. Think of it as a more customizable alternative to GeForce Experience's ShadowPlay, without the bloated overlays or unnecessary FPS drops. First, make sure OBS is installed and open. Once it's open, go to your Sources box. Right-click, Add Game Capture. Name it based on the game you're using, then press OK. Under Mode, select Capture Specific Window. In the window drop-down, choose your game. You'll need it open already. Scroll down and check Limit Capture Frame Rate. This helps avoid sync issues and improves FPS stability. Click OK. Now go to Settings, Output. Change Output Mode to Advanced. Click on the Recording tab. Replay Buffer uses these settings. For encoder, select your GPU's hardware encoder. NVIDIA users, choose NVENC 264. AMD users, look for AV1 or the latest encoder for your GPU. Set your bitrate. For great quality without bloating file size, start with 25,000 kilobits per second. If you have the storage and want top-tier quality, go with 50,000 kilobits per second. Leave the other options at default unless you know what you're tweaking. Click Apply when done. Still in Settings, go to the Replay Buffer tab. Check Enable Replay Buffer. Set the maximum replay time to how long you want each clip to be. 30 seconds is a good starting point. Keep an eye on the estimated memory usage below. Longer clips use more RAM. 8 GB RAM? Stick to 30 seconds max. 16 GB or 32 GB. You can safely go longer. Click Apply, then OK. Now, you'll see a new button on the bottom right labeled Start Replay Buffer. Don't press it just yet. We're going to make this automatic. Go back into Settings and head to the Hotkeys tab. Scroll down to Save Replay. Click the empty box and press the key you want to use to save clips. For example, F12. Click Apply, then OK. Now every time you hit that key, OBS will save the last 30 seconds or however long you set of gameplay. Improve performance, optional but recommended. Go to Settings, Video. Set both base resolution and output resolution to the same value, usually 1920 by 1080. Set common FPS values to 60. Then go to Advanced. Scroll down and uncheck Enable Browser Source Hardware Acceleration. Click Apply, then OK. One thing to note, OBS Replay Buffer doesn't reset its timeline when you save a clip. Let's say you clip something cool. 5 seconds later, something else happens. You hit the hotkey again. OBS will still save the last full 30 seconds, not just the 5 seconds since the last clip. This means there will be overlap between clips, and you'll likely have to trim them manually. If you want cleaner, separate clips with no overlap, GeForce Experience or ShadowPlay might work better for your use case. If this helped, feel free to drop a comment letting me know what topics you want to see next. Leave a like if you found it useful, and subscribe for more performance-focused tutorials and guides. Thanks for watching, and happy clipping!